Hey guys, Vimal here. Today we're gonna unveil a new product from Apeman A100 Action Camera. Hey, before I dive into more detail about the product, let me share you guys a little bit what I know about the company. So basically this company, they are really specialized into cameras. Like they have an action camera, they have a dash camera, they have a IP camera, they have a trail camera, even projector also they have. If you want to know more about their product, do visit their website apemanasia.com. You will get all the details over there guys. Awesome. I kind of love the whole thing, how they wrap it, packing it, and having a different container for the camera and the accessories. This is like really clean and neat. Anyway, at the end of the video, I did take few shots from Apeman 100, indoor and outdoor. Do check it out and let me know what you guys think about it. So the wow factor of Apeman A100 Action Cam. They have 4K video Ultra HD guys. Damn. Then 20 megapixel of photo, 2-inch IPS display, 40 meter deep of waterproof. Come on, this is perfect for diving. Other notable feature, they have built-in Wi-Fi, timer shooting, time-lapse, anti-shaking. This is perfect for bike riding guys. Whoever like going for long distance, having this kind of action cam, just perfect. This camera is attached with 170 degree of wide angle lens, adjustable. Wi-Fi connection is Android and iOS supported. SD card we need to get separately. It support class 10, can go up to 128 GB. Port as usual, micro USB. Charging time will take about 3 hours something for full charge. If you want to use it in 4K mode, it will last long, about like 60 minutes. Unless you want to go to 1080 HD quality, it will go to 120 minutes. I'm telling you, this is perfect, just nice.